What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working on Discord, especially on Windows, using a few proven fixes that usually solve the problem fast. One of the easiest things to try first is running Discord as an administrator. Sometimes Discord doesn't have enough permission to access your microphone properly. Close Discord completely, then find it in the Start menu or on your desktop, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes, then test your mic again. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is whether your microphone actually works outside of Discord. Open another app that uses your mic, like Sound Recorder or Voice Recorder, and try recording your voice. If it records normally, that means your mic is fine and the issue is Discord related. If it doesn't record anything, then the mic may be disabled in Windows settings. Go into Windows settings and check your microphone privacy settings. Make sure microphone access is turned on and that apps are allowed to use your microphone. On Windows 11, this is under Privacy and Security, and on Windows 10, it's under Privacy. If Discord doesn't have permission, it won't pick up your voice no matter what settings you change inside the app. Another common issue is Discord using the wrong input device. Open Discord settings, go to Voice and Video, and look at the input device option. If you have multiple microphones connected, Discord may be listening to the wrong one. Select the correct mic manually and speak to see if the input bar moves. If your mic still isn't working, try turning off Quality of Service High Packet Priority in Discord. This feature is meant to improve voice quality, but on some systems it causes mic problems. You'll find it in the Voice and Video settings. Turn it off, then restart Discord and test again. As a last resort, you can reset Discord's voice settings. This clears any broken or conflicting audio configurations. Go to Voice and Video in Discord settings, scroll all the way down, and reset the voice settings. Confirm the reset, close Discord completely, reopen it, and test your microphone. Most of the time, one of these fixes will get your mic working again on Discord. If none of them help, the issue may be with your audio drivers or the microphone hardware itself. And that's it. That's how to fix a microphone not working on Discord. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.